Hey Sugarfoot, how you doing? How you doing, sweetie? Get it out now before we get started. Shout outs to my man Shaq up front showing love to Cavs. My man LeBron in the house. Shout out to your boy LeBron. It's a good year for y'all. A good year for y'all. Alright, look, y'all got me up here for a while, about an hour. I'm gonna be up here about an hour. Now this time y'all gonna have to hear a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, don't judge me. I don't want anybody judging me. I love to be honest on stage, man. I talk about things I know, my family, my kids. I love to talk about my baby, a little boy and a little girl. Now I used to talk about my son being a dumb baby. I used to. No, I'm serious, I did. I thought my baby was a dumb baby, but to realize he's not a dumb baby. He just does dumb things. Like I don't like the way my son throws his tantrum. You know, when a baby throws a tantrum, he's supposed to fall out, cry, roll on the floor. That's a tantrum. It's not a joke. This is for real. This is what my son does when he gets mad. I'm not lying. Don't make me laugh. I can't say anything. I got to wait till he's finished explaining to people what happened. He got an attitude because he can't get no candy. The baby is weird, man. When he gets mad, he gets in the oven. I swear to God. He gets in the oven, gets an attitude with me when I get him out. Well, get your little self out the oven. Get your butt out the oven. When I says that, he goes, hot, hot. I love him to death, though, man. Now, my daughter's a different ball game. My daughter's spoiled, man. About to be 5, spoiled. I'm not gonna lie, I spoil her. That's what I'm supposed to do. She's at that age now, though, where she knows. Like, she knows how to play me and her mom against each other. She knows how to make us fight.